So you've been turned down for a mortgage? Have you looked into alternative options? Whether you're a first-time home buyer or self-employed, there are alternative options available for you. Stay right there. I'll be talking all about non-QM loans.
You were talking about money, right?
Separate yourself widely from the pack. Moving forward, that's something that you would be willing to have a discussion. There are a lot of folks in our market that are still not qualified to purchase, and we're hearing about it all the time. And real quick, I just want to go into detail on this, so you're not thinking that it's something crazy off the wall. A non-QM mortgage or a non-qualified mortgage is a loan that is not required to meet the agency standard documentation required as outlined by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Non-QM loans may exculpate a wide variety of mortgages, including home loans exceeding 30-year terms. So what that means is the type of loans that you would normally go, your FHA, VA, your basic conventional loan, USDA, those are not these types of loans. These are more so a portfolio where a private investor such as Angel Oak, Sprout, and the others that they mentioned there, they look at your loan and make a decision based on the amount of down payment and logical things that they can use. So I'd like to go into a couple of different loan programs that they offer just to kind of give you a roundabout what you can expect and to let people know that there are opportunities out there to help you still accomplish the goal of homeownership. So as I look at Angel Oaks, and this, it's important for me to make sure that you guys understand these non-QM lenders, you have to go to a banker, a mortgage banker like myself. We can actually service loans or originate loans in all of Texas, and we can broker them as well through your Angel Oak, Sprout, and Greenbox. There are many other non-QM products and lenders out there, but you do need to get with a mortgage lender first in order to have that recommendation and for them to package it up to get over to those types of lenders. But as you can see here, I'm going to click on this Programs tab, and from the Programs tab, you see Bank Statement Mortgage, 1099 Income Loan, Investor Cash Flow, Platinum Jumbo, Portfolio Select, Asset Qualifiers, I-10 Mortgage Loan, Foreign Nationals, and then Agency Mortgages. So the first one, as you see there, is Bank Statement Mortgage. And you're probably thinking, what is Bank Statement Mortgage? Well, it's as simple as it sounds. The lender, us, will take the last 12 months to 24 months of deposits that go into your account and then essentially divide those by the amount of months that we've taken and have documentation for to come up with the amount of income that we can use and qualify you on. Now, they do typically require a little bit more down payment and also a little bit higher of an interest rate, but one thing that we have to remember is our property values here in Texas are not going backwards. So as you wait to fix your credit, as you wait to file your tax returns the right way, you're simply missing out on equity that you could have had otherwise. And in my opinion, as soon as we hit a recession, rates are going to start trickling back down, whether that be 8 months, 12 months, 2 years, but it eventually will happen, and that will breed an opportunity for you to refinance and capitalize on a better interest rate at that time without missing out on the equity that you could be providing or gaining. So let's look at that bank statement loan so you guys can see a little bit of the details. It says up to 90% LTV, so that would require a 10% down payment and a minimum of 600 credit score, whereas your traditional qualified mortgage wouldn't dare touch something like this. And as you can see, they go up to $3 million, and the minimum is going to be $150,000. And as mentioned, 12 months to 24 months as far as the business or personal bank statements. And this is for your self-employed borrower that may not have claimed enough income on their tax return, because keep in mind, when we're doing qualified mortgages, we take after-tax money to determine how much you can qualify for with your income. So let me continue here. 2 year seasoning for foreclosures, short sales, bankruptcies, deed in lieu, and those are folks that are looking to purchase a home and only have a conventional option, but unfortunately conventional options may require 4 years in order to let that bankruptcy pass by in some cases. So it says borrowers can own as little as 50% of the business in order for this to be counted. And this is good for purchases and cash outs. I personally, in the last week, have put in 3 different cash outs for customers in this same exact scenario. They're then taking those funds to leverage over to purchase other investment properties or paying off debt in addition to those that are making repairs or upgrading their property to live in it. So that is just an example of the type of loans that are out there, as long as you're working with a professional that knows what they're doing. Experience does matter, and not all lenders are created equal. We are all equal opportunity lenders, but again, your lender is only as good as the size of their toolbox that they use to work in. Hopefully I'll be able to come back to you guys with some more of these live updates. Hopefully the video itself turned out okay on your side of the tracks. But if you found any kind of value from this, please make sure to like and share this with a friend. Also, if you could, make a comment below and I'll definitely get back to you and respond to that. But if you are in Texas looking for a mortgage loan or a mortgage lender that has the options, and not just your traditional financing options, but any type of options that help you accomplish the goal of purchasing or refinancing, give us a look. We're going to be at LaCanteraloans.com, and one of our trusted professionals are willing and able to help you, provide you with all of your options. So that being said, I'm Mark Jones, and hope you guys make today count. Let's see how to end this thing now.
You were talking about money, right?
Separate yourself widely from the pack moving forward. That's something that you would be willing to have a discussion about.
Because they didn't get it.
They
were
probably
like,
didn't get it. Yeah.
To follow up with your clients, to generate more leads. You know what I mean?